72-11?
Yeah, he did 8.8 seconds.
Kerry Beaver, Don Edelman, Rodney Shoemaker, Jerry Wells, Larry Bergman, Ralph Wilson. Please go to your trucks and get them in line, please. Tom had 72 feet 11 inches in 8.8 seconds. Kerry Beaver, another Toyota called Blue Beaver. And he's just climbing right along. They're just running right on through there. They're climbing on top of the mud. Those little trucks.
Yeah, 75 to 7.5. 75 to 7.5.
Okay, Kerry Beaver going to take an option? Okay. Kerry Beaver will be up next with his option run. Okay, Kerry Beaver. Jerry Wells, please go to your truck and be in line, please. Jerry Wells. And a Jeep. Tom Haltis going to take his option run.